There will often be times when you will need to edit management zones by unioning subzones. In this example, we are going to take this crop IMS nitrogen recommendation created via FarmRight and make some adjustments to the zones. To start, we will activate the map layer and then click the Create Management Zones icon. Within the Management Zones editor, we see our nitrogen zones and the corresponding classifications under Values. We will demonstrate how to union zones as we clean up some of the transition zones throughout the field. We will start by zooming in on this sliver in the southeast corner of the field. Note that FarmRight has settings that can prevent these small transitions and slivers from occurring, but we kept them in as a good example for demoing the union tools. I want to merge this sliver with the light blue zones, but they have different underlying nitrogen rec values associated with them. So first, we need to copy the values from the light blue zone to the yellow sliver. Activating the Select tool, we will click on the light blue zones. Then holding down the Shift key, we will click on the yellow zone. Summit asks if we want to copy the values from the previous selection, that is the first selection, to the second selection. When we click Yes, the values are copied, and the yellow section turns light blue. So the thing to keep in mind is that data values are copied from the first selection to the second selection. Now that these two zones have the same values, theoretically we could just leave them as is. However, let's union these two together so we've one nice clean zone. To union them together, simply click on the first zone, then holding down the Shift key, click on the second zone. Notice that we did not get a message about copying values this time because both zones have identical values. With both zones selected, we will now click Union Polygons. We receive a message that the zones are about to be unioned, and we confirm it by clicking Yes. Now we have a nice clean zone.